Gave her a half of a big one, so she's good. Don't let her fool you.
I gave her many cookies too.
She's had probably daily value already. You know, but that's okay. I tell you what, these digital cameras suck. Whoa. Sorry, whoopsies, you stupid thing. Okay. That's all good. Oh, where are you, poop? I gotta go poop. I'll be back.
Good to know.